So it's here. This is my sisig. So I have mixed with chicharon. As you can and happy weekend. And it's Saturday now, and Saturday today in Dubai, and it's like 5 o'clock in the evening. So today I'm gonna make a fish sisig. So right now it's 5 o'clock, so I have to make it early because we just had a smoothie in the morning, and after that we did not have anything after that. So today I'm gonna make a fish sisig. So I have marinated the fish. This is a fish fillet, and the type of fish I'm using is the dory cream fish. Okay, so it was been marinated for 2 hours, and I've been using this. I use this one for marination. Of all the meat marination, I recommend this. This is really work wonder for me. So this is really good in any meat marination. On here I have put also salt and lime. And aside from this, we will be using as well a chop of onion. This is one medium size of onion. I have here 5 cloves of garlic, which is chopped as well. And I have 5 chopped green chili. But normally they are using those bird eye chili, the long ones, the one it's from Thailand. That kind of chili I don't have, so I'm just using what I have. The same thing with you. In Philippines, normally they have these local chilies, the small ones. That also work fine. As long as it is spicy, it gives a kick. And aside from this, I'll be using a butter. Okay, this is a salted butter. I'm using this kind of butter. This is an Amul butter, Indian butter, but it's very nice. It comes with garlic and herb. And aside from all this, I'll be using this one. This is pork chicharon. Okay, or you can also use chicken skin chicharon, because both are crispy. And you can add it up in your sisig because it really gives a nice crunchy feeling, and it will really give a nice flavor. It will add up. It's very nice. So you don't feel like you're only eating fish. So you feel something in there. So on the top of that, I'll also be using a garlic powder. This is garlic powder. So I'll be using this as well. So that's all my ingredients, guys. So let's get started. So our pan is ready. It's been heated up. Now we have to dump our butter. My butter is about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. On this, I'm gonna add a small 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, because so I'm adding the cooking oil in the butter so it prevents burning. So on this, we can add our fish. So we have to cook our fish with and then once it gets change color, like become white, then we have to remove this from the pan, and then we have to put our other ingredients, which is this one. So now, see, our fish has changed color. So now we have to remove this from the pan. And now in the same pan, we have to put our green chili. And then next, our onion. So just saute this until it gets translucent or change color. And then we can put our chopped garlic. Some they are doing first put first the garlic and next onion. I'm doing it another way around, but that was okay. Same it is only. So now we have to put our fish back on the pan. Then give a good mix. And then for this, we have to put black pepper. Black pepper, just half teaspoon. If you have white pepper, that's also okay. I have black. And I'm gonna put also half teaspoon of garlic powder. And we have to give a good mix. And I forgot to tell you guys, I'm gonna put mayonnaise. And for the mayo, like, it's really give a good flavor as well. It will thicken the mixture as well. So I'm putting right now 1 heap tablespoon of mayonnaise. So let's see if I'll be needing more, if it's required more. First we have to mix this nicely. Mayonnaise is just an optional, guys. If you want to put it, put it. Otherwise, it's okay, leave it. So I think that was enough. 1 tablespoon of mayo is good enough. So now we have to cook this for simmer for 5 minutes. Then we can put our chicharon. So now, oh, very nice. Now we can put our chicharon. Chicharon is optional. If you have, you can put. Otherwise, you can leave it as well. Okay, so just leave it for 1 minute. Then let's cook this for 1 minute. And now our sisig is ready. So now we do the plating. So now guys, our sisig is ready. So it's here. This is my sisig. So I have mixed with chicharon. As you can see. Very nice. So I hope guys you like my simple sisig recipe. And until to my next one, bye!